Hey, I'm happy to see you here, and I'm finally ready to share with you this short video with some explanation. As you can see here was totally different painting, and I was not inspired enough to continue painting it, but for a long time already I really wanted to draw monstera leaves. So first I start with putting some basic colors and just to show, shapes of the leaves without any details. For me it's easier to start with the middle line. I mix white, yellow and a little bit of green for that, and then I add dark green mixed with blue. Here it's important to hold the composition. Now I have a lot of objects from the right side, so I will add on the left as well. And you can also control it with the light, so some of objects are more bright, some of them less. More bright objects are closer to us, more dark ones are on the background. I will use mixed black and blue to cover the background. And now I will start adding more details, showing shadows, light, stripes, water drops and everything I want. By the way, don't forget to use different colors. Even if your painting is in general black and green, you anyway add here also blue, orange, yellow, red. It will make your painting to be more realistic. Also, if you want to make one... My god, sorry, my dog is also really interested in what I'm doing here. So, if you want to make one object more bright, you don't need to add more and more white. You can just make the closest object to that more dark, and on the contrast, the first object will appear more bright by itself. Actually, here now I will show you one important thing. Look. We have also light falling on a leaf, so I show it in every stripe of the leaf, and it shows the volume of the leaves. Here now I'm forget to subscribe me and put likes or dislikes or write in comments how you like it or not. Thanks for watching.